Hello there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all feeling today? I trust you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you the result of how this item looks like after I wrap it with lime green vinyl wrapping. This video is not an instructional video for your information, but I hope it will provide you with an idea of where to begin if you are one of those procrastinating in doing the same. For this DIY job, you will be needing some interior trim panel prying tools. You can grab this very cheap on eBay. Then you need some material for cleaning such as rubbing alcohol and cloth. But since I don't have rubbing alcohol, I will be using the wet wipes instead. You will also be needing a heat gun, and since I don't have one, I will be using my wife's hairdryer. Before anything else, if you can see that red subscribe button, that means you are not subscribed to the Allscan 12 YouTube channel yet. It will mean a lot to me if you could do that, please. If you don't want to miss out on my future DIY uploads, please hit that notification bell. So let's get started. We begin by prying the top center console trim panel on the sides. I was hesitant to do this before because I don't know how it is connected to my black glossy radio trim panel. I was told by one of the guys in the Vauxhall user group that this item is just being held by some clips and it should easily come off by prying it upwards. And so I did it, and voila! It came off without any damage. Next, I'll give it a proper cleaning using the wet wipes, then dry it using the hair dryer. And when it is ready, I'll start wrapping it.
A few moments later.
Coming up next, I will be showing you how to remove the interior door handle should you also wish to apply vinyl wrapping on it. Have a great day and thanks for watching. Cheers!